how do you enable or disable the keyboard click sounds on your iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, the way that it works is that you have to go to the Settings app and locate the Sounds section. And there are plenty of different sounds which you can manage in here, but upon scrolling down a bit more, you can see we have a section for lock sound and keyboard clicks. And this is basically what you need to turn on or off, right? So the keyboard clicks are, of course, the taps. When you are using the keyboard, you'll be able to hear it. And that's like the sound, right? Keep in mind that if your iPad is in the silent mode, those will still not be heard. So if you only want to just mute it temporarily, you can use the mute switch in the control center to make your iPad go to the silent mode, and therefore it will filter out all of these like sounds, including the keyboard clicks. But if you want to turn it off permanently, you can go to the settings where I've shown you. One last thing though, if you don't like the sounds or if you want to customize it a bit further, you can also explore some third-party keyboards on the App Store. Popular options include the Google Gboard, Microsoft SwiftKey, and even some other like less known ones, but these two are like the the most common keyboards, which I've personally tried and they work well, right? So let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.